for receiving a guest of honor, Mrs. Milan De. And we have Shamal De, our special guest. We are receiving him warmly.
Full attention!
Managuri Annual Sports Meet 2026. They are marching past of St. Paul School, Managuri. We'll be enjoying a briefing topic.
I declare the course open.
Clap please.
Promise that we shall maintain the sports spirit in the field and abide by the rules and regulation of the sports. We also promise that we will not take any unfair mean to win.
respected parents, guardian, my esteemed panel of teachers and obedient non-teaching staff, and my loving children. Let me tell you one thing, I am not in my voice, I have lost my voice, so I don't know what I'll be telling and what you will interpret. There is some confusion. Sports Day, to celebrate not only games and sports, but more than that, to push ourselves beyond the limits. On this very day, from the very best events that the St. Paul family have organized, we learned many things. Sometimes the greatest lessons of the life is learned from the field. We learned here how to handle our victory, our wins with grace, how to handle our defeat with determination. Yesterday, the heat day, as it is the process, many students, they could not make it for the final and find them crying. So I was happy seeing their emotion. It's very good, you have to be emotional. Besides that, you have to keep it in your mind, winning is not everything, participation is everything. See here, I am telling you again and again, your presence determines first, second, third. If last is not there, first, second, third, they loses their identity. Therefore, your participation is everything. Don't bother. There is a saying in Sanskrit, Karmanne vadhike rastu ma phalesu gadachana. Do work, don't bother about the fruits. If you deserve it, what you deserve, nobody can snatch from you. The nature automatically bring it near you. Sports, obviously, game, but a tool of learning. We are sorry that we are not able to provide you field right at this moment, but very soon our problem will be solved and our students will have weekly sports classes, music classes. This is my promise to all my students and guardians, and I am very sorry for till today we are not able to provide you this in the school. But one more promise and vow that we, the family of St. Paul's, have taken. All the teachers, managing committees, we have taken a vow that we will not only prepare our children intellectually, that is, shows the mental growth, but corporally, that is physically, emotionally, and morally. As you know, the moral values are diminishing from the society gradually. So this is our aim, and we have taken vow to make our children strong in this field, morally strong. And one more thing, that is discipline. Every class, whenever I go to the class to motivate the children, I always tell one story to enable them to understand the importance of discipline. You must have heard about Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. They come up in the same time, and as per their guru, coach Ramakant Acharya, Vinod Kambli was more talented than Sachin, but indiscipline took him at the bottom of the sea. And Sachin is considered to be the god of the not only Indian cricket but world cricket. So discipline is everything. How talented you are, You will not be able to achieve anything if you are not disciplined. And the first step of being disciplined is punctuality. You have to be punctual. You have to be punctual. If you do not give the value to the time, time will not give you value. Punctuality is very important. I see sometimes some of the guardians are very much annoyed when they are coming late. I am telling them to go back. Let me tell you clearly, if we allow one student to get into the class after a period, we will become great, but the child will spoil. We are here to work cooperatively, together, to uplift our child. We are like just embarkment. They are like water. Now if you want to take them to a aimed destination, then both the embarkment has to be strong. We teachers are very strong, but guardians are not. Then the water will flow in different directions. Same way, if guardians are working very hard, but the teachers are slacks, they are not doing their duties properly, then also the water will drain other side. If we want to reach them in the place where we want and what we have seen in the child, then both the embarkment has to be strong and work cooperatively. St. Paul's has earned some reputation for its standard of teaching. People say St. Paul is one of the best schools in Mainaguri, but I want to clear one thing. Best principal prepare the best panel of teachers. Best panel of teachers prepare very good student, but it is you guardian, the best guardian of Mainaguri, prepare the best school of Mainaguri. We are good, whatever we are, it is because of your cooperation, because of your help. Without your cooperation and without your help, we are nowhere, we are nothing. Once again, I must say something about my students also. They are growing in such a age where lots of means of distraction is there. In our time, we had very less number of distractions, but to them, television, mobiles has got different ways. Still they are doing good. Hats off to them, and we should praise them. We should not compare them with others, but we have to monitor them properly. That because it is very easy to take them away into the dark side. Mobile may take them into the dark side, in the dark world. We have to be there. As a guardian, we have to be very strong and monitor this. Then you see, they will shine like anything. I am telling you, what they know in this age, when we knew that when we were in college. So it's not a matter of joke or fun, but still they are doing their work. So, once again, I would like to welcome you all to the world of Gilbert's speech. I don't know, my voice was with not me, and whatever I told, whether it is interpreted properly or not. So thank you very much for being here with us. Please enjoy the various events organized by the little stars of our schools and the stream panel of teachers, non-teaching staff, as well as guardian cooperatively. Thank you very, very much.
Your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Let's go explore together.
Dooby dooby dum dum, dooby dooby dum dum, through the jump and climb. Dooby dooby dum dum, dooby dooby dum dum, through the jungle beat. Dooby dooby dum dum, best place I've seen.
Monkeys dancing all around. Dooby dooby dum dum, what a funny sound. Dooby dooby dum dum, stomp your feet. Dooby dooby dum dum, feel that beat. Dooby dooby dum dum, dance and spin around. Dooby dooby dum dum, make that sound.
Dooby dooby dum dum, sailing on the sea. Dooby dooby dum dum, just you and me. Dooby dooby dum dum, gold so bright. Dooby dooby dum dum, what a sight.
Whales are singing their big song. Dooby dooby dum, come sing along.
Everybody swim like a fish.
Now fly like a bird in the sky. Dooby dooby dum dum, 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 shoot to outer space. Dooby dooby dum, what a race.
Dooby dooby dum dum, twinkling all around. Dooby dooby dum, floating off the ground.
Dooby dooby dum dum, we had such fun. Dooby dooby
आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले हो आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले हो आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले हो
And good. Second is Tagore. Anand Vishwa. Collect and run race for nursery boys. They'll be collecting vegetables and they'll go to the finishing line. Meter race for 5 and 6 girls is going on. Chris Roy, second. Orgodip Mandal, Aradhya Raha, third. Nikita Saha, Arvind Kumar Roy, Kingsuk Roy. Make the pyramid and run.
Kita run! Titik siya, titik! Titik siya, titik! Run! Run! Joyride! Sahil! 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 Sahil!
Very nice. Yes. Meter race for ex-student girls. Hurry up. Sir, do you want to say anything? If you put a response in the heart. I'm very glad, sir. Very good. Just one thing, JP Bhure St. Paul's. Okay. Then Guardian.
তোমায় আমি চাই উরি উরি বাবা উরি উরি বাবা উরি উরি বাবা কি দারুণ উরি উরি বাবা উরি উরি বাবা উরি উরি বাবা কি দারুণ প্রেম জেগেছে আমার মনে বলছি আমি তাই তোমায় আমি ভালোবাসি তোমায় আমি চাই উরি উরি বাবা উরি উরি বাবা উরি উরি বাবা কি
the Teddy is cursing us. Mr. Chandan, next time I will not come with you. Okay, ready?
मलाई पनि लाली देउन थप्छु नयाँ रङ्ग मेरो परदेशी घर आउने बेला हो सिँगारेर आफैलाई पारिदिन्छु रङ्ग माया लुकी लुकी 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 माया पिपालु कति दिन्छौ तिमी मात्रै छाया कसलाई पनि भन्न देऊ न एउटा सानो हाँगा मेरो परदेशी घर आउने बेला हो म पनि त दिन सक्छु लुकी लुकी छाया माया लुकी लुकी 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 माया लुकी माया लुकी लुकी माया लुकी लुकी
Mother of Kriti Roy from class 1A. Second, Pinky Roy, mother of Chandni Adhikari, class 3A. Krishna auntie. First Krishna auntie. Second Mavani auntie. Third Rinki auntie.
I heard. What do you know? That victory stand saying, please sir, do fast. You cannot teach me this way. Okay. He is doing like both side. Okay. Second. Fourth. আপনারা আগে ডিসাইড করে নেন কে fourth. Fifth. Thank you.
Up to where?
You. Let's see how far you can go. Ready? Steady. Go.
Priya, slowly.
Ready, people?
I would like to thank our respected guardians who have maintained discipline here along with the students. They have maintained good discipline. Really, it's a good discipline day for us. And I'd like to thank heartily to my colleagues who have been working hard to make this happen, in a grand manner. Because of their hard work and dedication, these things can happen only. And I'd like to thank once again to our Honorable Principal Sir, who has coined so many things, so many new things, introduced so many new things here, which gave us immense entertainment and pleasure, and we have enjoyed very much. But we are hoping for a better annual sports in near future in our own school ground. That is for sure. That will happen very, very soon. So, by saying this and hoping for the best, I'd like to conclude. One thing actually I missed. That is, I would like to thank Basic School Authority as well as our SI office who gave us permission, who have been giving us permission to conduct our annual sports here on this ground, and the neighbors, the residents of this place who have beared us. Actually, we have made so much noise in this annual sports program. It has to be, otherwise it would be insipid. So I would like to thank them once again, and I would like to announce for all, tomorrow there will be a rest day for all of us. There will be a rest day for all of us, and there will be no school, no classes. Okay? And let us do today only. We'll have all the meetings and all here today only, not tomorrow. Thank you all. Thank you very much.